Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. Today we have Jared Farrell's newly acquired 1993 Mustang GT on the dyno. And for those of you that do watch our dyno videos, y'all probably remember Jared Farrell. We dynoed his 2.3 liter 4-cylinder Calypso Coupe, as well as his very cool Florida Highway Patrol car. Again, this is one of his newly acquired vehicles, and it's largely unknown. Although we did look over the vehicle, and for what we found, it's pretty much all stock. Now, when I say pretty much all stock, the only thing that we did find was a set of aftermarket mufflers welded into the factory catback. So it still has the factory air silencer, it's still at 10 degrees of timing, still has factory 327 rear gear. It is a T5 car, so our pool is gonna be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Has the factory steel drive shaft, 327 rear gears, as I mentioned previously, and that's a set of 5.0 Resto 17-inch 93 Cobra-style wheels with a 275/40/17 rear tire. Jared Farrell does have 93 octane fuel in the tank, although that won't play much factor here today, just because the car still has 10 degrees of timing. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's go ahead and check out some numbers. For those of you that don't know, the high output 5 liter in these particular cars was rated at 205 horsepower, 275 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. Jared's 93 GT is making 168 horsepower and 264 pound-feet of torque. Now, it is a little bit down on horsepower, but definitely some tune-up items could help that. Jared Farrell is probably gonna do those tune-up items, that is if he doesn't sell the car. So if he can get to those parts, get them on the car, hopefully we can come back and do another dyno. That way we can see a before and after. So that's all we have for you today. As always, hope you found some value in this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. And until next time, y'all know what to do. For all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.